Welcome to 50 Birds demo. In this video I introduce the changes I made on the game. First let's talk about the difficulty. I decreased the gravity as I'm bad at the game. Anyway, let's talk about the pipes. Now they are spaced randomly with an interval of 1.5 to 2.5 seconds. The gap vertical is also random, between 80 and 140 pixels to make it possible for me to go beyond a score of 1. After a few games I reached the top score and I won a wonderful gold medal. There are 3 medals: bronze, silver and gold. They are all separated by 5 points. Finally, I implemented the pause feature on P key. As you probably notice, the game stops completely and it also plays a little woody sound when paused. The pause menu is also displayed. And this video ends up on a silver medal. Thanks for watching.